because I'm really just trying to be productive. I want to listen to music and I want to vibe, and I gotta record a TikTok, so it's gonna be a lot going on. This is the outfit that I'm gonna be wearing. I need to go throw these in the dryer really quickly because they're a little bit wrinkled. I got my jewelry on, my favorite rings, and I'm waiting for my boyfriend to pick me up, and then we're gonna go get food. And also loving the makeup. Just a simple graphic liner look. I haven't really done anything like this yet, but definitely loving it. Hey guys, so stay tuned. We're gonna go take pictures and end the night on a great note, and I'm gonna go eat because these motherfuckers left me nothing but ramen.
Hello.
The hot sauce? It's not that hot, but... Hey guys, so I was gonna record a whole entire like outro. I honestly feel like I recorded enough content for the day, so I didn't even bother really finishing or ending the video on that night. I kind of just took my shower because I was like, I'm not about to sit here and do a whole routine. Yeah, there's a bug. I'm just gonna finish editing and finish getting stuff done for work. I'm just getting organized. I've been doing that all week, so let me not waste any more time because my day kind of already fell apart. So anyways, that was my rant, and thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys want any other videos. I don't really know. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm doing here, but I think I want to make a cooking video tonight, so it's probably what I'm gonna do. But anyways, I'm getting ahead of myself. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.